Meaning of fistful.
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 Fistful. The word fistful is a noun that refers to an amount of something that can be held in one hand. It's typically used to describe the exact or approximate quantity of something, such as a fistful of coins or a fistful of sand. The term implies a certain level of scarcity or limited availability, as well as a sense of physical measurement and graspability. Additionally, it can also suggest a certain degree of informality or casualness, as compared to more precise measurements or formal units of measurement.